It's moving day, and this time we are going to get water. Let's fill this baby up. No matter how much I tighten it, the leaks are not going to stop. So this system here is a complete failure. But my solution is going to be simple. I'm just going to cut them out and just connect the pipe up. And I'm going to use that as my cutoff for all the tanks. It was a nice idea to be able to cut off either side, but alas, it is not going to work. Right. Let's just get rid of all of this. I've got the Titan on standby, ready to pick up the flood when I open this up. Let's try again. arrived. The good news is this leak is fine. The bad news is there's a new one. But it's a simple fix to do with the toilet. And there's the leak. I'm concerned that this isn't round anymore, hence why the Jubilee clip is not catching. Okay, this is several days later, and all the leaks are now sorted. Well, it's a miracle. Everything is just fine. So now we get to use the toilet for the first time. So let's get over there and flush it for the first time. It's official.
Absolutely under no circumstances are you going to desecrate my throne. Arr! I swear to God, I'm going to kill you. I swear this is not over. This is not over. Ah!
Oh my God. Oh my God, we've got an emergency situation.
Murder. You murderer.
Okay.
You tried to kill me.
What are we going to do? Panic. Okay, hide the body, hide the body, hide the body. I've just murdered the sea captain. I've just murdered the sea captain. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God.
To deserve this decapitation. Why would you do something so awful?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You will never hear the end of this. I am going to get revenge. All right. That feels a lot better. What about my gun?
The tip of the gun is in that pipe. And it's not coming out. I'm gonna have to come up with some sort of solution. I hope he doesn't notice.
What about my gun that you flushed down the toilet? Sure you shouldn't have bothered. You can't get any ammunition for this kind of gun. I'm the sea captain. Thanks for watching. Now, don't forget to subscribe if you like this nonsense.